Well, hey everybody, it's Brian here with Four Seasons Pursuits. Out here with another adventure, out in one of my favorite places out in hunting camp. I hunt here, I spring camp here, we do some summer camping out here. It's really a great place, and this was the start of what Four Seasons Pursuits is. If you've not yet tuned into my channel, thanks for signing in today. The adventure over the next couple of days is going to consist of chainsaws, chicken, and chaps. With that, we're going to try a few different chainsaws out, maybe show those doing some firewood bucking, some chickens, which I like to call, or more affectionately known as rough grouse up here in Alberta, and chaps. A few good friends of mine are out here. We're going to spend some days together, have some fun, eat some good dinner over the fire, and sit back and relax. Stay tuned. So for this trip, I brought my Cabela's 6x12 insulated ice fishing tent. These things set up in literally under a minute. There's plenty of room. There's a few of us out here, and some people might snore. So with that, we got some choices. The room inside, just stuck one cot in the far corner. I can easily push that over. So there's room for, easily three of us in here if we want, with the cots to be able to have a sleep. But we have another tent, which is one of those Russian bear-rigged tents that my buddy has got, the hot tent, and it's really good as well to stay in. But I like this one. It's lots of roomy, spacious, and offers the comforts in a matter of seconds to get set up out here. So I'm going to show you the old bear rig. So with that, these bear rigs are really cool tents. You have the outer shell, which sets up like an umbrella from the top. You just push out the sides, they pop out, anchor the sides. We don't have any wind in the forecast or anything, so we're not even anchoring these down. But a good solid waterproof outer shell. The doors, of course, are equipped with a screen. And then the interior liner. So it's a dual liner tent. I can stand up in here. I'm 6 feet tall. I can stand right up. There's room for, if you're using cots like my buddy's using, 2 guys easily, which who wants to have more than a couple of people in a tent like this for your space? It's going to be a real comfortable stay.
So these were kind of the first shipment that they got.
Yeah. Well, everybody, that took short work of that spruce tree. Less than about 7 minutes total, if I recall. Look at the watch. Nearly 100 feet of tree is down and bucked. We'll be taking it to the camp, fire up the splitter, and as you can see in some of it, got nice cracks in it already. It's been standing dry for a few years. Perfect wood, ready for firewood. Okay, we're gonna do some scalloped potatoes for dinner. Got the roast ham on already. It's been roasting throughout the day. The fire's been going. We've got ourselves a really good load of wood over there. But now it's time for the scalloped potatoes to get going. So with that, I got some mushrooms, just some pieces and stems. Some cream of mushroom soup mixture here. 2 cans is good. Like that. I got some cream I'm going to put in, but before I put the cream, got some diced onions. Just add a little bit more flavor. A few more. That should be good. I think that's good. The cream is just there you go, 10% cream. Down in there, some half and half. Some moisture for those potatoes to cook on. Got a generous dose of pepper. Got some all-purpose seasoning. Don't be shy with that. And last but not least, some garlic powder. And mix that up, foil it, and get that over the fire. Scalloped potatoes are bubbling away. We've got them on there for 5 minutes. The ham's still nice and hot. It's gonna be delicious. Open that one up. We'll take, oh, look at those potatoes. Oh, those are good. Scalloped potatoes. Some people like cheddar cheese on them, but this is what we got tonight. That'll be good. Okay, those are good. Let's see how this ham looks. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Cut that up. Roast ham with some pineapple, scalloped potatoes, and some pickles. We got illumination. The ham is cooked right off the bone. If you could only smell it and taste it. Scalloped potatoes. Oh, Jim, look at those guys. Oh, they're cooked good too. Ham and pineapple. Well, what a great ending to a day. We had ham, scalloped potatoes for dinner. Got a lot of wood put up. Got a few truckloads of birch, truckload of spruce, another cord of spruce brought back into camp for the season ahead, and to be able to sit and watch these coals burn down, just a great indicator for a great day. So with that, I'll be shutting things down. Coffee's ready for the morning and settling into my tent for the night. Well, this is it for another good day. Like I said, wrapping things up around the fire. Got my cot set up. Comfy. I got my little light box here. I can charge my phone up tonight, which is handy. You're sleeping well. Room for more. The other guys got their tents, but I got lots of space, so this is cool. This is good. It's about -1 degree Celsius right now. I'll be crawling into this this Nolder Cabela's Alaskan Guide Series sleeping bag. I've had it for a number of years. This is a -40 rated bag. I've stayed this for a couple of nights at -30. As long as you wear a base layer, I've been comfortable. It's got a really good loft, good comfort rating. It's been good. But with that, we'll see you in the morning. And I get to be cooking breakfast for the gang. Ham's cooking over the fire. We baked some potatoes as well last night and have those cubed and diced, which you've seen earlier, and this is the finishing touch of eggs. Well, friends, you can faintly see the first few flakes of snow coming down. It's about October 20th today. It's the first snowflakes of the year for us here in north central Alberta. Haven't seen this for months and quite enjoyed the summer we've had, but beyond that, from here on in, we're gonna have no shortage of the white stuff coming down well into March. It's kind of a bittersweet ending to summer though. It's been a beautiful summer. It's been a beautiful fall, and there's still some nice times ahead of us yet for the end of October, November. But with that, it can be cold and miserable for folks, and some folks don't do well with that. That's why I'm out here. I do my best to enjoy the outdoors, get that sunshine in when it's out in the cold, and do what you can to enjoy it.